Hello guys, it's not quite morning, it's the afternoon. I'm going to Nadja's place to look after Jason for a little bit while she does some official business. But sadly she told me I can't stay there for dinner. They're too broke, so I'm just traveling 2 hours one way and 2 hours back home just to look after him for like half an hour, so it feels a little shitty. So I'm just on my way to the train station now in the blistering cold. At least this will give me some time to edit videos. I'm kind of behind. When I get over to her place I can use her internet to upload to save a few gigabytes, to postpone how long before I need to buy more data, because I'm broke as shit. The reason I need to ask her to borrow her laptop is because I talked to the government today and they can't let me borrow a laptop. They don't care about the fact that I'm getting into an education and all that. They just told me, ask people you know, ask your education. But yeah, I don't really know anyone except for Nadja who has a laptop. So I'm just gonna try and appeal to her in one way or another. I really need that laptop. I mean, I can buy one on the 1st of next month with the study money. Just a cheap second-hand one, but I don't have any money right now. And my friend who lets me stay in the apartment told me that he would help me out, but I haven't been able to get a hold of him. He's just ignoring me. So yeah, if she can't help me out, I'm basically gonna get kicked out of this education. It's some bullshit, man.
No joke, little advice.
Ej, kig det her. Ja, jeg sagde det jo.
Det er i hvert fald. Jeg kan ikke støtte på billedet.
Hej Jason. Det er hyggeligt herinde i hulen.
Jeg har fået en anden. Vil du se?
Mm.
Vil du?
Ja,
Okay.
tag den med herinde.
Den er meget stor. Den er meget stor.
Okay. Måske kan den være her alligevel. It was nice hanging out with Nadja and Jason and Nadja's boyfriend. I even ate a little bit of spejpølse on rye bread, the sausage with remoulade and that. It's good to get some calories. She understood I was completely broke. So at least I got something to eat. And well, that guy that I met on the train station asked me if I could go check out a boat for him, but I was busy, babysitting Jason. And then all of a sudden everyone was home, and then we just ended up hanging out. So I never got around to checking out that boat for him. It would have been quite a bit out of the way, and it was, he just like texted me or called me actually in the middle of me watching Jason. But I'm going home now. My bus is gonna be here in 3 minutes. They were so sweet. They gave me some cigarettes because I told them I was just about to run out of tobacco for the home rolling tobacco, the home rolled cigarettes. So yeah, they gave me like more than half a pack of cigarettes. Very nice of them. I'm so thankful. It's nice to be able to smoke when you're broke. I'm smoking one of those cigarettes they gave me waiting for my train. And blowing my nose a whole lot. Can't wait to get home. Gotta go to the eye doctor tomorrow.
Only possible the mind.